Hey guys, what's going on? Jed Scott here, and I might look like crap. That's because it's been a hectic day as usual. And let's just start off with, you guys are amazing, and this is just simply a fan service video. You guys aren't my fans, you're not my subscribers, you're my friends, you're my buddies. I don't view you as anything else. You are simply awesome people, because the fact that you guys watch this channel means the world to me. The fact there's like 3,100 of you, almost 3,200 who watch this channel or subscribe to it. It's absolutely insane and cool. You guys are the best. I know a lot of YouTubers say it, but I mean it. That's why I reply to your comments. Why I ain't got a problem talking to you guys on the phone, helping you out. I just spoke with a guy named Bill last night, and we're going to be helping him do his 340 for his Barracuda. He lives up in Ohio. Bill, it was awesome talking with you, man, and I can't wait to help you with that. Jason Curry, he friends with me on Facebook. He sent me, I can't remember if he gave it to me or if I bought it from him, a 70 Charger glove box, which I was needing because I had a Roadrunner glove box or a satellite glove box and it was wrong. And he sent that to me. That's sitting out in Jezebel. I still got to put it in. Thank you, Jason. I appreciate that, my friend. And other guy up in Washington, I literally spent about 20 minutes going through my messages trying to find your name. I apologize. You know who you are. We traded Mickey Thompson valve covers for that B5 blue Charger glove box, kick panel and all that stuff. I'm sorry I can't find your name. I tried. I literally did. I'm very forgetful. I talk to so many people. So if you know who you are, comment down below. Remind me. Call me an idiot. Call me a dumbass, because I deserve it. But anyways, I do not want people to send me stuff for free. I have no problem paying for parts. I don't believe in giving stuff away. Everything should be earned. But now that said, my good friend Jamie, who is a new good friend, well, it's not like we've known each other for a long time, but he watches the channel. Jamie, awesome talking with you, brother. He sent me some stuff. There are some prizes in this box. I'm going to show you what's in it, because I haven't opened it, and I'm eager to see what's in it. So here we got a box. Pretty normal box, right? I mean, pretty boxy. Lots of tape. This here's what we call a knife. All knifey. And we're just gonna cut it and tear it open. And what do we got in here? Sweet! Jamie sent me some packing peanuts. You know me, Jamie, all too well. Oh, that's a big tub. Jamie, I appreciate the Isky Rev Lube. I didn't realize this was this big of a tub. This is really cool. That is gonna, that's gonna go on display in my bedroom, and I will show you when this video is done. I really appreciate that. I love anything that says Isky on it. And what do we got here? We got, whoa. Whoa, Jamie. And I knew you were sending me these, but dude, look at how nice those are. These are brand new. Wow. Dude, that's way too nice for the yard dart, seriously. These are small Krager center caps for the small bolt pattern wheels. Wow. Jamie, seriously. There's a t-shirt on the way to you, man. Well, I still got to send it, but it's going to be on the way, because, okay, they're not brand new. The blue in the background's kind of gone, but these are really nice, Jamie. I really didn't need all three of them. Like I told you, I only needed one. So if someone out there needs Krager small bolt pattern center caps, I only needed one. We might have to pass those on to the next guy who needs them. And this I knew about. He told me about this. There are some secrets in there. I don't know what he sent me, but he gave me some lug nuts for the dart. I know I already ordered some, but we're going to use Jamie's because they were a gift. And that's just the way we roll here. So, that's one box. We'll give that to Captain to play with. What else do we got in here? Oh! Carb insulator gasket. Very cool. I've never actually had one of these or used one of these, but I think we're going to use it on the old yard dart, on that 273. Very cool, Jamie. I really appreciate that, brother. Oh, I didn't know you were going to give me that. I thought, Jamie, I'm addressing you right now. We were going to sell this to somebody. You, man, I know it was my own words, passing stuff along, getting it to the next guy who's going to use it, but for real, man, that's badass. We're going to have to use that in the yard dart. Well, actually, on the 273. Never had anything this fancy. It's really nice, and it's red anodizing, my favorite color. Very cool, man. I appreciate it. And we got bubble wrap and peanuts left, and that's going to go to Captain because he loves to play with the little packy peanuts. If he wasn't asleep right now, I'd get him out here, and I let him play with these. Anyways, that's what we got from Jamie. At least there's nothing else hiding in here. Let's just see. There was something else hiding in here. Ah, that felt good. Bubble wrap. That was very cool, Jamie. I really do appreciate that, brother. And I'm not just saying that because it's a video. I really mean it, man. That's badass. We're going to get this Isky Cam Lube unwrapped so I can go put it on display. Because I think this is really cool. I thought it was going to be one of the little containers like what I had. No, this is a big one. I don't know why you need this much Cam Lube. That's a lot. Dang. Okay. Like everything else. There we go. Look at that. Smell it. Stick your nose in it. Just get a whiff of that. It smells like Molly Graphite Lube. Mixed with a little bit of gear oil. Sweet. I love that logo. We're going to put that on display. Well, welcome to my collection of pistons, stuff, and whatnot. My Hemi Tunnel Ram 2750 double pumpers that were on Dad's Hemi. My dually boat scoop. And now, the Isky Cam Lube. I don't know if I like it right there. We're going to move that actually. We're going to, right there, move the Hemi emblems. Oh God, there went my brand new tack. Oh God, this is a pain in the butt. Oh God. Oh God, it's upside down. Oh God, everything's going awry. There. That's better. And we'll put these Hemi emblems up in the tunnel ram. There we go. That's much better. That I'm okay with. Well, that's the lid to the box. Was the lid to the box. Bam. Jamie, I told you I'd display it. It's on display. I'll probably end up using it at some point. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. I know it was just a little quick video. Nothing super fancy. Nothing super cool. See? Not kidding. It's right there. Make sure it's on camera. Nope. This is my brother's old spare bedroom. It's down the parts room. And Jason, there's yours. All dyed black, ready to go. I guess it's in here, not in Jezebel. But this is where my parts come to die or get sold. So I appreciate you watching. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next Yard Dart update. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.